Hi everyone, this is Mr. West. Today we're doing a quick Khan Academy tutorial on read histograms. Let's go ahead and get started. Here we have a mass of each pumpkin. Look, how big is it in Leonard's patch? So this represents the number of different sized pumpkins. Here's the number of pumpkins on the Y vertical axis, and then we have the mass, like how big it is, how much does it weigh in kilograms. And you can see that a histogram is a different type of bar graph where it provides intervals, okay, or ranges of numbers. So anytime you hear intervals, think of, there's different ranges, okay? So, for example, here we have 0 to 3 kilograms represented there. Here we have 3 to 6. So let me back up a second. So all these numbers right here would be represented the 0 to 3 kilograms. How many are there? There are 4 because this little bar graph goes up to 4. So we're not sure exactly what that data looks like. There could be a 1 kilogram pumpkin, maybe there's two 2 kilogram pumpkins, and then there's a 3 kilogram pumpkin. Okay, actually it can't be, it could be 3, yes, it could be up to 3. So that would be there, between 0 and 3, okay? So then the next one, we're talking over 3, but to 6. So this is between 3 kilograms and 6 kilograms. But it can't be 3 kilograms because we already counted for it in the first one. Okay, so this is any pumpkin. So like I said, this was 4. You can see that there's 5 of these. There's 5 of these. And then for this one right here, there's 8 of these. There's 6 of these, and there's 2 of these. So there's 2 very heavy pumpkins between 12 and 15 pounds. Or kilograms, sorry. There's 6 pumpkins that are between 9 and 12 kilograms. And then there's 8 pumpkins that are between 6 and 9 kilograms. Okay, so this is just kind of like a brief intro. How do we read this? So how many pumpkins are in Leonard's patch? We just need to add all the numbers. So we know there's 4 here, 5 here. That's 9 plus 8 is 17. Plus 6 is 23. Plus 2 is 25. So there's 25 total pumpkins. Okay, so I kind of gave you a little bit more than I needed, but at least you know how to read a histogram now. Volume of water Hurley drank each day. Okay, so number of days. So obviously if they did all 10, that means that's 10 days in a row drinking that volume of water. This is very little water, okay, barely any. You can see that he didn't have any of that. This is a lot of water, so that's lots of H2O. The question is, how many more days did Hurley drink between 4 and 5 liters? Okay, that's here, between 4 and 5 liters, then between 1 and 2. So here's 1 and 2, and it says how many more days did he drink. So we're going to first see how many days did he drink between 4 and 5 liters. Okay, it's up at 8. So this is 8 days he drank between 4 and 5 liters. How many did he do 1 to 2 liters? That was 4 days. Okay, so this is 4 days at that much volume. So very little volume, 4 days, a decent amount for 8 days. So that's 8 minus 4. How many more days did he drink? So he drank 4 more days of a lot of water than he did a little. So 4 more days. Okay, next question. Distance driven for each vehicle at NAM's gas station. How many vehicles have been driven less than 200,000 kilometers? So again, distribution, this would be like a very new car, 0 to 50,000 kilometers. I can't remember what I said the first time. This is like a lot of mileage or kilometers on that particular vehicle. Okay, so older vehicles there. It's saying how many have been driven less than 200,000 kilometers. So that's all of these ones. We're just going to go to where we see 200 on the chart, and we're going to count how many. So this is 6. There are 5, 4, and then 3. So we're just going to add all those numbers together. That's 11, that's 15, that's 18. So that is 18 vehicles. And that's how we do it. We can see how many vehicles there are from the histogram. How many games were played in Watson's Billiards tournament? So again, it's looking for the total number of games played. Okay, so number of balls made. So I'm not sure what type of tournament this is. This is the number of games, and these are the different types, I guess, number of balls made or type of score. Anyway, the important thing is number of games, and I know how to read that. That's 1 game there. There's 5 games of that variety, and then there's 8 of that. So we're just adding those numbers together, and that's 14. that's all there is to it. Quick rundown of how to read histograms at the beginning and then how to do this particular Khan Academy with analyzing what you see there. Hope you enjoy this video, and I look forward to seeing you right here next time on West Explains Best.